How to convert BNB to USDT on MEXC. After you open the MEXC exchanger, go to this more. Under this more, now go to convert. After you come to this convert, so here is USDT, and tap on this option now, this second one. So after you tap on the second one, now go ahead and choose BNB in this option. Go ahead and search for BNB. After you search for BNB like this, now select it. So now here is USDT and here is BNB, and you want to convert BNB to USDT. Now tap on this arrow to switch. So now you switch, here is BNB and here is USDT. Go and type in the amount of the BNB you want to convert in this option. Let's say I want to convert 5 BNB. After you type in the amount of the BNB, here you can be able to see the balance of the USDT that you will be getting. So all you have to do, just tap on this convert button. From there, the BNB will be converted into USDT for you. And that's it, guys.